Watch full episodes on Jio Hotstar.
What you doing? Oh, want cereal. Can't reach. I got it, Maple. Need other box, like both. Oh, Pancake, when I be big? Be patient, Maple. You'll grow. Want big now. Silly feet. Too short for bed. Why won't I get big? Big. Want to be big. I'm here! Need a hoof? There you go. Want to be big.
Well, I know a way to do that.
Big? Me? Big?
Yep, you just have to eat from the biggle tree fruit.
Yes!
It grows near the top of Zoonicorn Mountain, so follow me.
Come on! Be cool. Too high. Need to be big. Short you.
Nope, not close.
Fly?
The fruits are too big for me to bring down.
Climb. What's that?
Squirrel hole. I bet that leads to that branch with the fruit. I can't fit, but I bet you're just the right size, Maple.
Hello, Mr. Squirrel.
Hello, little girl.
Look out, Ariel.
I'm okay.
Wow, it's big. I'm big.
Maple, maybe you better slow down?
Bigger!
Whoa! Whoa! This is not looking too good.
Look, I'm big. Let me play.
What just happened?
I'm big. I want it now. Oops.
What just happened? Hello, Charlie. And Rose, you look very bubbly today.
I'm big. Oops.
What just happened? That looked like Maple.
That was a bigger maple than I've seen before.
Maybe it's an inflatable maple?
Have you seen a rather large maple? She ate too much biggle tree fruit. Move!
Wait. I want to play. Oh. Come out. Big.
Yes, you are, Maple. Really big. Maybe a little too big?
No, I like big. Sorry.
Watch out!
Too big?
Maybe you took a bite or two too many.
But want to be big.
And you're doing a good job of it. But maybe you were even better at being small.
You were sure easier to play with. and didn't break as many things.
Want to play?
Then maybe you should be smaller again.
Smaller!
Oops. Let's get you smaller.
How?
Puny Pond! Anything that bathes in the waters of Puny Pond grows smaller.
Just one problem. She's too big to fit.
Want small now!
Yes. Just put the little bits in until the bigger bits get little. Then put those in.
Go, 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 go!
And you're so good at it. You never needed to be big when you went up Zoonicorn Mountain, or were able to get the biggle tree fruit down. And even now, you let nothing stop you from getting small again. You always had everything you needed to get what you want, all on your own.
It doesn't matter. Big or small, never giving up will solve any problem.
Small!
Hey! Whoa! Hey! Come on! Don't do that!
I'm small!
What?
What's wrong, Lucky? You were fine when I got you yesterday. And I followed all the rules Mama gave me. She said to feed you twice a day, and I've done even better than that. I fed you 4 times. You should be even happier. Maybe a little more food? I hope Lucky's not sick. Maybe Mama can take him to the fish doctor. Hello? Zoonicorns! What's that?
Marigold bush. But it keeps trying to twist up. It's weird that way. It sprouted yesterday, and I'm going to make sure it grows into a healthy plant. Would you like to help?
I don't know. I'm taking care of my first pet, my fish Lucky. But he's not doing too well.
Well, a plant isn't a fish, so what do you say?
I guess so.
Great! So, first thing we have to do is know what makes a plant grow.
Water and sunlight?
Iris, does water and sunlight make a plant grow?
Why, yes, Ian, they do.
Yes! But how much water and how much sunlight?
That depends. Each plant is different.
Oh, okay. We'll just have to try and see. I think it wants more. Wow! This is one thirsty plant. Double wow! This plant sure likes water.
And twisting up.
How about now, Ian?
That's good. You don't have a towel, do you?
So, how much light do you think it needs?
It likes a lot of water, so maybe it needs a lot of light too?
That's good thinking.
Too much light.
Too little light. Just right.
It still keeps wanting to twist up. How do we keep it straight? very good.
This is what happened to Lucky. I think I'm not so lucky for Lucky. Or this marigold bush.
It's not about luck, Pancake. There's just something we're not thinking of. What else does a plant need?
Cupcakes?
Cupcakes?
Well, I like them. Wait, what about air? Maybe it needs more air.
Any change?
No, same. What about balloons?
Balloons?
Here you go, marigold bush. Aw, nothing's working. What do we do? That leaf! It looks better!
Could the marigold bush actually want to twist up? Have I been doing the wrong thing untwisting it?
Only one way to find out.
It worked!
Maybe we should, I don't know, help it twist up even more?
You think?
Let's try.
Look, a marigold bush is blooming. And a really nice one, too. Did you grow it?
We didn't know what to do, so we had to try things. I mean, who would think you had to twist them up?
Oh, yes. They need a good twisting, or they won't bloom. If you don't do that one thing, the poor bush doesn't do well.
Tell me about it. We were trying to untwist it.
No, you have to care for it the right way. It might not seem right for you, but that doesn't mean that it's not right for someone or something else. But now that it's all twisted up...
It's marigold bush time!
What's that mean?
Oh, you are gonna love it! Hop on!
Now what?
Hang on!
Lucky! I'm so sorry I didn't follow the rules. I thought more food meant you'd be happier, like trying to untwist the marigold bush. But when Mama said twice a day, she meant only twice a day. And that's what I'll do from now on. I promise. It might not seem right for me, but that doesn't mean it's not right for someone or something else. Maple, you won, but it's you, not the color of the marble.
Bluey best! Bluey!
Don't worry, Maple. We'll find it. Do you see it, Odessa?
Not over here!
That's okay. We've got more marbles.
No! They not blue! Want blue! Blue is fastest!
Maple, I told you, being blue doesn't make the marble fast.
Blue fastest!
Want blue marble. Blue is fastest color.
I'm Vallejo! Over here!
But purple is Promy. That's true. But right now, I'm Ian's color.
And I may be pink like Aliel, but it's me, Ian. Just ask Iris.
What? Did we ever tell you about the Foggy?
He's a great cloud who loves to play practical jokes.
He mixed up our colors.
Ugh! I'm not right! You go back to you!
Maple, it's okay. I might not be pink right now, but I can still sing like me.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti.
Here he comes!
Foggy! There you are! You're right! Everyone stay right where you are. We may not be able to see each other, but we can hear each other. Use the sound of your voices to find each other.
Yeah, just like my favorite game. I'll start. Zoonie!
Corn!
Zoonie!
Corn! Hi, Maple. Found Brownie!
Great, let's keep playing till we find everyone. Zoonie!
Corn! I found you!
I found you! I found you! Found you! Sounds like we all found each other. Foggy, you put colors back now! Zoonicorns, not Zoonicorns!
Maple, don't worry. We're still Zoonicorns.
Inside and out. But I would like to have my pink color back.
And I want my green back.
Mommy, our colors are inside the Foggy. If we can get back in there together, we can get them out.
Then let's go catch the Foggy. There he is! Follow that Foggy!
Wow, for a fog, he's fast.
No catch Foggy!
But we can't give up. We just have to chase harder.
Why not play tag? And he be it!
Brilliant! We get Foggy to play tag, and he'll catch us.
I'm the fastest. I'll have him chase me right to the rest of you.
But it was Maple's idea. Do you think you can run faster than the Foggy?
I run fast. And it's you and me, Maple. Tag! You're it!
Look at Maple and Valeo go! But can they keep it up?
They can if we help by cheering them on.
Go! 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 Great job! Keep it up to the silly slide. We'll meet you there.
You got it!
Foggy!
Did it work? It worked! Our colors are back!
Maple, we've been ourselves the whole time, even without our colors. Think about it. Ian still thought big thoughts. Valeo still did sporty things. And Aliel made everyone still feel happy. And you do mommy things. Well, I am me. No matter what color I am. You.
Found your blue marble. Here.
Color no matter. They're fast too.
Watch India's largest kids library only on Jio Hotstar. Download the app now.